On November 15th, we will be hosting our school day game, and part of that is including different learning elements. So in front of you, we have a little science experiment, and with any good science experiment comes getting ready. So now I would ask you to put on your lab coats, and then we'll kind of get into some other safety.
Is it good like this, or we need to put it together?
No, that works.
Good? Okay. Put it together? Together? Okay.
Yeah, that's good enough. 2 buttons.
Alright.
Oh, and gloves too, eh?
Get it out.
Gloves next. And then after you get those on, the all-important eye protection must go on.
They're so quick.
Korczak.
Ready to go?
Poly A will be the first thing that we're working with, and that is the darker liquid. So if you want to grab that, and then you're going to pour that into your cup. What does it look like?
It looks like
Maple syrup or
yeah,
something.
what's that?
It's really like similar to that, I think, in my opinion.
Yeah, no, maple syrup is one.
Or
Molasses.
some honey.
Molasses. What's it, molasses to me?
Or honey.
Honey, yeah.
Alright, so next we're going to have you work with Poly B. So that is the other bottle of liquid. Did anything happen?
Kind of just like combine the colors.
Yeah, nothing's crazy.
Yeah.
For now.
Yeah.
Sometimes you need to add a little energy to an experiment. So we're gonna mix, but first we're gonna add a couple of drops of the food dye into the cup. Just to give it a little pop of color. So to add that energy, we're gonna ask you to mix with the stick.
Doesn't matter which one?
So you're gonna stir for about 60 seconds until you see the foam beginning to form and start rising.
A little sore of my hand.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're getting a little bit of foam here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sorry, what are we supposed to do with it?
So you're gonna put it straight down on the cup. So once it starts to rise, pick up the stick and kind of help guide it. And try to make sure that it doesn't tumble over.
Oh, it's tumbling. Oh.
So this experiment will actually have the foam expand 30 times its original volume.
Wow.
It's going 30 times.
After it stops growing, you can tap the top of the foam and you'll realize that it is a solid.
Yeah.
And so you've created a matter monster. And on this day, you can go ahead and turn it into a monster if you'd like, with the eyes that we have, along with the twist ties. If you wanted to add some hair, some eyes, a nose, whatever you like.
You can just jam it in here?
Should be able to. We call these matter monsters because the states of matter changed from 2 liquids at the start to a solid at the end.
See you on the 15th of November.
For education game.